central Texas, Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Jacksboro to near Gordon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Wells, Bridgeport, Jacksboro, Alvord, Chico, Grayford, Gordon, Cool, Pooville, Boonesville, Mineral Wells State Park, Runaway Bay, Strawn, Millsap, Lake Bridgeport, and Mingus. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 370 and 403. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north central Texas, eastern Erath County in north central Texas, Parker County in north central Texas, Hood County in north central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located from near Mineral Wells to Stephenville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Granbury, Briar, Pecan Plantation, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Glen Rose, Hudson Oaks, Anetta, Lipan, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Oak Trail Shores, Toller, Anetta South, Anetta North, and Sanctuary. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 395 and 422. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton County in central Texas, northwestern McLennan County in central Texas, northern Coryell County in central Texas, Bosque County in central Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from near Glen Rose to Evant, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gatesville, McGregor, Clifton, Hamilton, Meridian, Eagle, Valley Mills, Crawford, Iredell, Grand Falls Gap, Meridian State Park, Golson, Walnut Springs, Morgan, Oglesby, and South Mountain. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.